Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to download TLauncher, the best free Minecraft launcher out there, step by step, safe and fast. If you're new to Minecraft or just want to play for free, this video is for you. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to the official TLauncher website. That's tlauncher.org. Be careful. There are a lot of fake sites out there, so make sure it's the real one. I'll also leave the link in the description to help you out. Once you're on the homepage, click the Download TLauncher button. Then choose your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Most of you will probably be on Windows, so go ahead and click that. Once it finishes downloading, open the file. A setup window will appear. Just follow the prompts. Click Next, agree to the terms, and choose where to install. You can leave everything on default if you're not sure. Once it's installed, open up TLauncher. From here, you can enter a Minecraft username and select the version you want to play, including modded versions, Forge, Optifine, and more. Click Install and let your version download. This will take a while, so be patient. Once it is done, hit Enter the game and you're in. One quick heads up. TLauncher is a third-party launcher, and while it's popular and widely used, it's not official. So use it at your own risk. And don't enter any real Minecraft account login if you're worried about security. That said, millions of players use it safely. And that's it. You're now ready to play Minecraft with TLauncher. Free, modded, and fully customizable. If this helped you out, drop a like